lose. How the hell they beat Derek Kelly?
Hey, he should have gave that car that big of a hit. He ain't gonna run down red like that. That's too much of a hit. He thought he
that's what happened. I was like, man, what the hell?
He thought we were a little soft.
He must have thought it. He must have thought something was soft. He had to.
He thought it was real soft.
Damn, I should have bet it.
I should have rocked hard though.
God damn. That was a. Tonight is the night. Tonight.
Rainstorm, motherfucker.
Yeah.
You throw another race, Derek Kelly.
Yeah.
You rainstorm, motherfucker. You throw that motherfucking race. Rainstorm, motherfucker.
I ain't know that. Keep buying them turbos.
I bet you that was a double O, one double O.
Keep buying them turbos. Keep buying them turbos.
Rainstorm, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hey, Derek Kelly, you want rainstorm, motherfucker.
Yeah.
You rainstorm, motherfucker. Derek Kelly, you rainstorm, motherfucker.
How they throw that race?
You must got hit in your ass.
He didn't get out the line.
That man
He got hit in his ass.
You must got hit in your ass.
Yeah, but he threw that race.
Yeah.
That man let that
Shit happen.
Hey, nah, ain't no shit happen. Shit happen.
Shit happen. 20 now, man.
Oh, red. Oh, red. Look. Oh, red. Yeah. Oh,
Rainstorm, motherfucker. Derek Kelly.
What happened? Tell that motherfucker go back to Arkansas. Take his bitch ass back to Arkansas.
Oh my God, Tyrone
Take
get
his
a lot.
bitch ass back to Arkansas. Bye. He got out. He
Rainstorm, motherfucker.
jumped out there.
You don't do nothing but throw race, Derek Kelly. Rainstorm, motherfucker. Woo! Hey, that man, that's how he won on that race. Man, throw the goddamn race. Woo!
Hey, why they throw the race if he's in the shootout for 2,500?
I love it.
Listen to Tyrone.
He got paid good on the side. 2,500 ain't shit.
He ain't gonna do
25.
That man ain't gonna
Yeah,
do
he will. Yeah, he will. What? He will throw it.
Yeah.
You know damn well
There's only
that they didn't want to bet no money.
There's only
Yeah.
At all.
Yeah.
2,500 ain't shit. When you get paid 30,000 or something on the side.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Where's it at? Hey, pull me 30. Where my 30 at? Somebody on the 30.
Say, man.
20 yards.
Somebody on the 30.
What I'm saying is, this mother throw that race. Somebody paid them good.
Yeah.
They don't have a chance.
Hey,
Excuse me.
excuse me. You had to pay him 10,000 to win 2,500. Come on, dog. That shit ain't no right.
Look,
Yeah.
check this out.
Tyrone.
Tell them, hey, look. Derek Kelly just fucked up that green car.
Yeah.
Tell them to get their ass up there.
Hey.
What they make change
If
out
that
of
green car do the same thing Derek Kelly do it, I like the red car. His ass whoop too.
Hey, line it up. I bet he won't do it.
Do the same thing Derek Kelly did, he gonna get the same result.
Hey, tell them to bet the money. Tell them to do that.
On the green car.
You get on that green car.
That's how you beat a motherfucking turbo car. You double above that bitch, send that motherfucker. Yeah. Look out. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Come to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. I got everything. I got fighting, gambling, racing, comedian, commentary, comedian, all that. That's a lot of shit in one channel. I got that motherfucker shit, don't you? That's our line, folks. Huh? That's our line, folks. A lot of niggas wearing my rear end a little bit. Right lane won. Right lane won that. Right lane for the win. Dang, I forgot to see where y'all wanted to bet. All right, y'all. We got another good big race coming up. I think that's the dude that I had got mixed up with. Let me see, where y'all betting at? Let me turn it on.
Mustang out of Mississippi.
Which side y'all betting on? Also, make sure y'all, they run an 1/8 of a mile. Then I'm also live on YouTube, Lookout Racing. It look way better than TikTok, that's for sure. Alrighty guys, in the left lane we got Brandon Kersey versus him. Let me see something.